How to cook poppy noodles. Peel potatoes, cut them in tiny pieces and put them in a pot. Salt the potatoes and then pour water over it. When the potatoes are half cooked, you cover them with flour. Afterwards, you make holes with, for an example, a wooden spoon in the flour. When the potatoes are cooked, you pour them on a pastry board. Then we smash the potatoes with a fork. Now form a dough. Now form tiny noodles out of the dough. Now you put the rolled noodles in a bowl with melted butter. Now we give the grinded poppy seeds over the noodles. Put lots of sugar on it and enjoy the delicious meal.